Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the students. What are you saying? Bag, tag. So we are seeing here a bag with a tag. He is a student, isn't he? So what is this? Question tag. So our today's class is on tag questions. After we have started this lesson, we will be able to define question tag, identify tag operators, apply tag, and different use of tag. So you are Jisan, aren't you? So what is tag? Adding something with other. Aren't you? We have added here aren't. So a tag question is a question that is used at the end of the statement to get the support from the listener. A computer operator. Am, is, are, was, were. Tag question operators. Shall, should, will, would, can, could, may, might, have, has, had, must, ought, dare, and need. And do, doesn't it, used in action verbs. So if you have are not, it will be aren't. Is not, isn't, are not, aren't, was not, wasn't, were not, weren't, will not, won't, shall not, shan't, cannot, can't, could not, couldn't, may not, mayn't, might not, mightn't, and so on. So here we have found a sentence. Mahbuba was our good friend. Wasn't she? Now we will see how to form a tag question. Number one, structure a positive statement. Hassan is a truthful boy. It will be isn't he? So look at the structure and write down. Structure a negative statement. She is not my mother, and it will be is she. Now write down the second structure. Talib is a smart boy, so it will be isn't he? Because Talib is a masculine gender. Now add tag to the following. Rubina was a brilliant student. Rubina is feminine gender, so it will be she. You are not a player. They are our guests. We cannot do this. He may come tomorrow. We should not dissolve our parents. You could do it easily. They must not play that. I have a pen. You had better go. So what will be the answers? First one will be wasn't she. In number 2, the sentence is in negative form, so it will be why are you. Number 3, we have are, so it will be aren't they. And number 4, it is a negative sentence, so it will be can we. Number 5, we have auxiliary verb may, so it will be mayn't he. Number 6, should not, it is a negative sentence, so it will be should we. Number 7, you could do it easily, it will be couldn't you. Number 8, it is a negative sentence, so it will be must they. Number 9, I have a pen, so it will be don't I. Number 10, you had better go. Had better is an auxiliary verb, is a modal verb, so it will be hadn't you. So write down the answers. And how will you attack if there is no operator in the sentence? Here we have found my mother cooks very well, so we have found cooks, and it takes S or yes, so it will be doesn't she. Number 2, we play football, play, and play has no S or yes, so it will be don't we. Number 3, he went to market yesterday, so went, verb in past form, so it will be didn't he. So we have found if the verb is in present form, it will be don't or doesn't, and if the verb takes S, it will be doesn't, and if the verb is past form, so it will be didn't. So write down the notes. Every mother loves a child, don't they? And every mother, everybody, everyone, someone, anyone, anybody, all of them follow they. Nobody believes a liar. Nobody believes a liar. It is a negative sentence, so it will be do they. If you find S or yes after everybody, everyone, nobody, no one, somebody, someone, the above rules will not be effective. In that place, you have to add don't they or do they. Everyone respects him. You can't use here doesn't. It will be don't, and everyone will follow they, so it will be don't they. Nobody likes, so it will not be doesn't or does. Nobody negative, so it will be they, and likes, it follow do, so it will be do they. And here are some words: never, rarely, seldom, hardly, barely, and scarcely. If you get these types of verbs, these types of adverbs, actually, it doesn't take negative tag. It will always be positive form or affirmative form. Suppose he never came again, so it will be did he. She can rarely come these days, so it will be can she. You hardly ever came, did you? I barely know, do I? You would scarcely expect her to come, would you? Here we can see 3 types of note. I have a few money. Don't I? Or haven't I? I have few money. Do I? Or have I? So a few is not negative, but only few is negative form. A few, a little, it will be affirmative. Few, little, it will be negative. So there is a little water in the jar. Isn't there? There is little water in the jar. Is there? I need your help, don't I? She needs a pen, doesn't she? But you did not worry, need you. So first one is action or do verb. So it will take don't or doesn't. And second one is modal verb. If I had any scope, I would visit London, wouldn't I? Last year, I had visited London, hadn't I? So contracted D, after contracted D, when you will get verb in base form, so it will be wouldn't, and when you will get verb in past participle, then it will be hadn't. So I'd visit, would, verb in base form, and visited, it will be verb in past participle. And first one is subordinate clause. And second one is principal clause. Follow me, will you? This is an imperative sentence. Don't stop. It is also an imperative sentence, so it will be will you. Go on, will you? Please help me, will you? Kindly do me a favor, will you? Because all of the sentences are imperative sentence. Let me say something, will you? Let him go, will you? Let them enjoy the game, it will also be will you. Exception in one place, if you get let's or let us, then it will be shall we. Let us settle the matter, shall we? Let us, shall we? Let's go out for a walk. The next, let's go out for a walk, shall we? Goodbye. The sentence is actually will be. I bade goodbye, so it will be don't I. Hassan, he is Hassan, isn't he? Who cares? Actually, nobody cares, do they? Yes, it is yes, isn't it? No, it is not, is it? And also good morning, good afternoon, it will be wish, so don't I. Add tag in every sentence of the following passage. Mahim is a good boy, so it will be isn't he. He goes to school regularly, it will be doesn't he. In this way, you have to solve the passage by using tag. So write down homework. These are all for today. Thank you so much.